Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to resolve an issue with a Wi-Fi router from Zambia. This friend contacted us online because their Wi-Fi is facing a problem. No SIM card is working and every SIM they insert shows limited service or no service at all. We've tested 2 or 3 SIM cards and none of them work, showing no internet connectivity. So today we'll fix this issue online. This is a short video and the purpose is just to show you that we offer this online service. As you can see, we're connecting to the device remotely via AnyDesk and we'll fix it in just a few minutes. We'll keep the video brief so that we don't waste your time. Fortunately, we've successfully fixed the Wi-Fi and as you can see on the screen, the issue is resolved. Now a Zamtel SIM card is working fine and the router will work with all networks. If you have a similar Wi-Fi device or router at home and want to get it unlocked or fix a no service problem remotely, you can contact us using the number on the screen and we'll handle it for you remotely. We hope you're satisfied with our service and we'd appreciate a nice comment. We'll see you again in another video where we unlock or fix another Wi-Fi device. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care and goodbye.